I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Apple ID and device passcode so the right account is targeted. Next, check iCloud messages. If enabled, your messages may already be synced. If disabled, look for backups. Once done, stop using the Messages app. Every new message risks overriding recoverable data. Make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection and enough battery or plug it in. This prepares the phone to perform restores or downloads without interruptions. You now decide between iCloud and local backups. If iCloud backup predates deletion, erase the device and restore from that backup. Go to Settings, General Reset, Erase all content, then choose the backup during setup. If you have an encrypted Finder or iTunes backup on a computer, connect the device and perform a restore. Encryption preserves messages and attachments. Once restored, immediately export or archive important conversations. Finally, verify restored messages in the Messages app and re-enable iCloud messages to keep everything synced going forward. If you had no usable backup, consider vetted third-party recovery software. Use it only after researching reviews and understanding privacy risks. Make sure to export recovered threads to the cloud or a computer. If recovery fails or results are incomplete, contact Apple support and provide diagnostic logs and backup timestamps. They can sometimes assist or explain why certain data could not be retrieved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.